This is nothing like this hair.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We can sit on and pop, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping. Okay, so y'all, today's video is going to be a review, a new hair review. I haven't done one in such a long time. I just took down a sew-in, honey. Never again will I be getting another sew-in. I'm only getting wigs made. I don't cuss. Oh, when I tell y'all my hair was itching, it was itching, and I only kept my sew-in up for like two and a half weeks, and I've never done that. Never in my days of having a sew-in, never have I ever just kept my hair up 2.5 weeks. Never happened. But anyways, today's review is going to be on this beautiful wigs that I got from Amazon. Y'all know I love to do me some Amazon hair review. This one not sponsored or nothing. I just wanted to get on here and try it because this is a natural looking wig that I saw, and it is from Sensationnel. And this is the one in Boss Lady. And it's supposed to be like a textured wig. It's supposed to be like your hair. It's gonna look like your hair. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try it. So when I bought it, I just wanted to get on here and try it out with you guys. I actually bought 2 wigs, but I'm gonna save the other one for a later day because I think this is the one that I'm gonna be wearing for right now. So I'm not gonna review that one until I'm ready to wear it. So yeah, this one right here, this is a shorter length wig. Showed y'all how it came. This one is supposed to look like this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Like, that looks like some real hair. Just look like a natural, like some natural hair just blown out and curled up. So hopefully it looks like that on me. I'm gonna try to I'm thinking that this angle is pretty decent, so we're just gonna leave it right here, and if I need to zoom in, I will. Okay, it is a lace, so I'm gonna have to cut the lace off. Okay, the curls look so freaking beautiful, y'all. They just look like some flexi rod curls, like some loose flexi rod curls. This hair is really soft, y'all. This feel like some natural hair. It just feel like somebody's natural hair, like it is scalp hair. That's what it feels like. It's just really soft, and like you just blowed it out and, you know, conditioned it and all of that good stuff. See, it comes with one clamp, elastic bands. Y'all know how I feel about my elastic bands because I like the fact that it with elastic bands you can pull it to your desired tightness. It does come with 2 clamps on the side of the hair as well. So you see the lace cap that it has. I'm not gonna cut that off just yet, so you guys are gonna see me with the lace on it, trying it on with the lace, because y'all know I don't like to cut my lace off until I'm actually wearing the wig on my head. But yeah, we're gonna just put this thing on to see how it looks on me and if I'm gonna like it on me. So yeah. Okay, so this is the wig on. I don't really know how I feel about it. I'm trying to see how it's supposed to. On here, this is nothing like this is nothing like this hair. Okay, and I'm not liking it. Like, it's almost, you can tell it is, I think it's because I got the lace. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with this wig. I'm gonna have to give it a part and everything. It has the part, but it's just not, you can't really see the part. So I'm gonna have to make sure I'm giving this hair the real, this look like, yeah, just my hair blown out and curled. But my curls didn't fully get the idea that they wanted to be curls. Mine just like some drop curls that haven't found their way yet. They're still searching. As I keep on wearing, okay, so look, imagine it without the lace. Without the lace, she almost looked decent. She almost giving me something. Well, with the lace right now, we're not feeling her, but I don't want to take the lace off right now because, look, girl, I want to make sure, you know, as I keep wearing it, it kind of is kind of cute, but I just want my curls to be a little bit more curly. See, I'm gonna have to end up cutting this to frame it the way I want it to frame my face. I'm gonna end up cutting that part because you see this part is just in my face, and I don't like that. The curls done dropped on this one, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, give me the expectation that I had with this part. And you can tell, it looked like that's exactly what she did. She did, whoever put this wig on her just really cut it and framed it to her face. So that's what I think I'm gonna have to end up doing, just cutting this and framing it to my face. It's pretty, don't get me wrong, it's pretty. It's just not what I expect. You're gonna have to play around with it to get it to where you want it to be. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing, just cutting it around, cutting it down and getting it to where I want it to be, getting it, framing it how I want it to look. I would do it on camera with you guys, but I was just ain't in the mood, so I'm not gonna do it on camera. But what I probably do is, when I do my thumbnail photo, I'm gonna frame it and cut it to how I want it to look. I'm gonna cut the lace off of it and have it looking how I want it to look in the thumbnail photo, so you can see how I adjusted it and fit it to my face, fit it to the frame of my face. Because right now this side is not it. This side right here is gorgeous. Don't get me, this side right here is everything. The part right here is not. So I'm gonna have to fix that up too. So I'm gonna fix that up and then have it how I have it looking in the thumbnail. And then I might just come back later on and show y'all how I got it to looking as well, so then you guys can see what I did to it and all that stuff. But yeah, this is the wig. This is I have it linked down in the description box to the Amazon link that I got it from. I think I paid only $25 for this wig, so that is not bad. It does look like it's just your natural hair growing from your scalp. So I think I could be able to put this up and all of that. Now y'all know my hairline comes all the way down here. Maybe if I pull it back a little bit. Okay, maybe that was the problem. Maybe I had it down too far. Maybe if I having it pulled back, that's it. I had the damn thing all the way down to my eyebrows. So if you have it pulled back, it kind of can you see the difference? Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how I had it down there first. So you see it, but pushing it back, you can see the difference. And it looks so much better. It looks so much better. I'm still gonna frame this part, cut this down a little bit, but it looks so much better pushed back. Kai, you so dumb. You're really dumb, for real. So don't have it pushed all the way down to your eyebrows. Girl, I be trying to cover up. I know I got a 5 head. You know, I'm in the Rihanna forehead game, because my forehead is literally huge. So I be trying to pull my hair down a little bit so you can't see the bigness of my forehead, but it don't be looking right. So it didn't look right if I had pushed all the way down to my eyebrows. So push it back, and then it looks so much better. It looks so much better. I like it. I do like it now. I do like it. This is cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I had it pushed down too far on my forehead. So y'all, it's my fault. But this is a really cute wig. Yeah. This hair is really bouncy. Really bouncy. Like, girl, people are not gonna be able to tell that this is not your hair unless they just know that they just know it's a wig, but they cannot tell. Once you fix up that part, frame it and shape it to your face, people are not gonna be able to tell. Because literally, if I didn't know that this was a wig, I wouldn't even be able to tell if somebody wearing that. Like the girl on here, I would not be able to tell that she was wearing a wig if I didn't know that she had a wig on. So yeah, this is a beautiful wig. I love this. This is probably gonna be one of my favorites for right now, because this is everything. This is my style. I like this. I really do like this, and it's perfect for this the springtime, because it's not hot. It may look like it's hot, but it's not hot, and it's very, very loose and just very airy. I know you probably never heard someone say that a wig is airy, but this one is very, very airy, and it just is so much life. It's just so full of life, and I love the thickness, the volume, the just everything of it. I love the color. 1B is actually, I think this one is in the color 1. So if you don't know, I love the color 1. That's my favorite. I know it's jet black, really, really black, but I like the color 1 of hair. I just like it better with my skin tone. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it linked down in the description box to where I got the wig from. I don't know if the price went up because I think I got it when it was on sale, so I don't know, but I'm still gonna have it linked down in the description box so you can go and get it for yourself if you like it, because I love it. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I see you all in the next video. And I promise y'all the next video is going to be my video where I am going to pick a giveaway winner. So yeah, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.